Liverpool's players were in training on Friday ahead of facing Everton at Anfield in the Merseyside derby on Sunday, with only Roberto Firmino missing from the session. The Brazilian forward Jurgen Klopp had explained in his press conference earlier in the day was touch and go for this one, but it now appears more likely he'll have to wait until the Champions League next midweek to be back in contention. Bobby is getting better and better, but it's uncomfortable, Klopp said of Firmino's injury. Maybe Bobby gives the thumbs up, if not, another few days. It seems though like the thumbs up has not yet been given by the player. Of course, there is though still time before Sunday. Liverpool will not take any risks with him though, with Luis Diaz, Diogo Jota, Sadio Mane and Mohamed Salah all raring to go, and Takumi Minamino and even Divock Origi could also feature. Everyone else who was expected to take part in the session was there in the sunshine, with Klopp and his staff overseeing a session filled with plenty of smiles. Harvey Elliott and Curtis Jones could be seen having a joke with each other. Jurgen Klopp chatted with Thiago Alcantara, and several other players were also seen having a good laugh. With so many options, even without Firmino, Klopp and Liverpool have some decisions to make, not least with the first leg against Villarreal in the semi-finals next week, just a few days away. Ibrahima Konate could come in for Joel Matip, for example, or Kostas Tsimikas for Andy Robertson. As well as the drop points, of course, the one thing Liverpool cannot afford is injuries in the derby, with 10 matches left of a campaign and their quadruple hopes still well and truly alive. By the time the players kick off on Sunday against Everton, Manchester City will have hosted Watford in the Premier League and could well be 4 points clear. The Redstoke can only focus on themselves. As ever in the Merseyside derby, Liverpool will be looking for a win.